Ready to dive headfirst into the world of Web3 without leaving the Binance ecosystem? First, open your Binance app or head to the Binance website. Then, look for the Web3 wallet option, often found under the More or Wallets section. Tap it. Now, initiate the wallet creation process. You'll be prompted to set up your wallet. Click Create Wallet to begin. This is crucial. Your seed phrase or private key is your lifeline. Write it down securely and store it offline. Do not screenshot it or save it on your phone. Confirm that you have securely backed it up. Congrats! Your Binance Web3 wallet is now ready to use. Explore features like token swaps, NFT management, and access to DeFi platforms directly within the wallet. To swap tokens, just select the tokens you want to trade, enter the amounts, and confirm the transaction. Remember to check for network fees. To view your NFTs, navigate to the NFT section of your wallet, where you can manage and display your digital collectibles. Encountering issues, check your network connection and ensure you have sufficient funds for transaction fees. For seed phrase recovery, refer to your offline backup. That's it. You've successfully created and set up your Binance Web3 wallet. So get out there and explore the decentralized web with confidence.